Okay, maximum points you can obtain from cards. Go! There are several cards arranged in a row, and each card has an associated number of points. The points are given in an integer array card points. In one step, you could take one card from the beginning or from the end of the row. You have to take exactly k cards. So that's the highest number of cards you could take, the most number of cards you could take. Your score is the sum of the points of the cards you have taken. So you could either take from the beginning of the array or the end, but you could take a maximum number of k cards. Okay, your score is the sum of the points of the cards you have taken. Given the integer array card points and the integer k, return the maximum score you could obtain. Okay, we heard maximum. Quick! Let's write a little max function here of our own. This is just to get the ball rolling. So it's that simple with that. So, okay, we see it over here at 12. K equals 3, so you could take either a maximum of 3 here, or you could take 3 from here, or you could take 2 from here and 1 there, or you could take 1 from here and 2 there, etc. After the first step, your score will always be 1. However, choosing the rightmost card will maximum your total score. The optimal strategy is to take the 3 cards to the right. 1 plus 6 plus 5, 12. Or you have this 2, 2, 2, and your k equals 2. The maximum you could take is 4, because you could either take 2 like this, or 2 like this, or this one and that one. Here it's 55. You have to take all 7 cards. Okay, so that's kind of a base case over there. If it's if k equals 1, well, you could either take 1 from here or 1 from there. And 202, k equals 3, so you could work that out yourself. It looks like it got this and this and that. It looks like that's what happened. Okay, so this is a classic kind of sliding rule type problem. Let's solve it right now. So what we're going to do is take the maximum that we can from going from this side over here. We're going to add all of these up until 3. And then we're going to initialize, we're going to have another loop. So we're going to loop through, we're going to add up everything up until all the numbers that are within k. And then we're going to loop and just see whether this maximum can hold, or whether decreasing 1 from here, meaning you only have this 2 and this one now, is that new maximum the maximum, and so on. Okay, so let's do that and you'll see what I mean over here. So let's do a little sanity check. If k equals 0, or if, let's see now, card points dot empty, or card points dot size smaller than k. So if you don't have enough to withdraw k, then you should return 0. That's kind of a sanity check over there. If you can't withdraw cards, meaning your k equals 0, or your card points are empty, then or that vector is empty, then you're screwed. Okay, so for int I equals 0, I smaller than k, I plus plus. So let's come up with an int current current max equals, or actually int current total equals 0. Int current max, well, we're going to come up with that right after this initialization of current total. So current total plus equal card points of I. Okay, now current max, as of now, the maximum is that current total. Now we're going to come up with another loop. So int I equals, what is this going to be? K minus 1. And we're also going to have a j equals card points dot size minus 2. I bigger or equal to 0. And we're doing I minus minus and j minus minus. Okay, so now that we reached I over here, we're at this one over here, 0, 1, 2, so k minus 1. We're going to decrease here, and we're going to add here. So that's how this is going to happen. Okay, so current total minus equals card points I, and then current, and then at the same time we're going to add that j on the other side. There we go. And then we're going to compare the current max equals my max, current max, current total. And let's see now, return current max. Will this work? Okay, so LeetCode is taking an inordinate amount of time. Oh, well, what happened? Let's see now. I equals... Oh, wait, what's this minus 2? Minus 1 is what I meant to write. Okay, let's see about that. Okay, now that worked, and now we submit. And we have a winner. Thanks a lot, everyone.